Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to install Filza, which is pretty much a onboard file system manager, which is literally awesome. I love this thing so much. It's one of my favorite tweaked apps to install. Now obviously you will have to be jailbroken in order to install this, so that is the first prerequisite. But again, don't let that be a deterrent. It's never been easier to jailbreak a device. I have an iPhone 11 here. This is able to be jailbroken. 11 Pros, 11 Pro Maxes, all these iPhones are basically able to be jailbroken. So if you have an iPhone 11 between iOS 13 and 13.3, you're able to be jailbroken, or if you have an iPhone 10 or below, you're also able to be jailbroken with that checkra jailbreak. So I'll leave 2 tutorials down in the description. They'll be the first 2 links. It'll explain exactly how to jailbreak your device on those specific 2 variants. So figure out which iPhone you have and then click on that tutorial to jailbreak your phone. So once you are jailbroken, all you'll have to do, and I'm going to break this down simple so it'll make a lot of sense for you guys if you've never even jailbroken or opened Cydia app before. So what you want to do is you want to locate this specific app, which is the Cydia app, and you just want to go ahead and open it, and it might glitch up on a little bit. And once you get this little pop-up, usually you can just click ignore, but if you want to install them, you can go in and install the updates, but for this case, I'll just go ahead and ignore it. Now once you're here, all you want to do is click that search button that's on the bottom. As you can see, it's all the way at the top right there, so the very last one. And once you're here, all you want to do is click up here, and you want to just start typing in Filza. And to exactly type it in, all you have to do is type in Filza. And as soon as you type that up, you'll eventually see a lot of different options, but you'll see one that says Filza File Manager. So the one that's right next to my green little icon right there, that is the specific one you want to click on. So you just want to tap that, and you'll be presented a little page. You can go ahead and read all about it if you want to. It's just a random app, But I'd recommend looking through. You should always read the apps before you install them. And what you want to do here, you want to click on the top right corner where it says modify, and you want to just go ahead and click install. Now I'll go ahead and reinstall it just for you guys, so it'll look like a page like this. You just want to click that top right corner where it says confirm, so you can go and confirm that, and it should take like a second or 2 for it to go through. It shouldn't take too long. It's not a crazy big app. As you can see, we're right there, so we can click return to Cydia, and as long as we go back to the front page, we should be able to see the Filza app somewhere. As you can see, it's right where I left it, so it just basically reinstalled it. I thought I would delete it and then put it back here or something, but that is pretty much the process. You can go ahead and open up Filza, and as you can see, I guess it's right where I left it. I thought I would go ahead and reinstall it, but I guess not. But that is pretty much the process. That is how you get Filza on your phone. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys to check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.